Hello, today we're going to do my mini backpack. Let's just see. If you can see, here is a close up look. Alright, so let's go through it. First squishy is this squishy. Oh, you probably can't see it. Hold on, fix the light. Okay, so it's the squishy. I'm gonna squeeze it real quick. It's very still. Not like super still, but still still. Next part, just throw that one away. I'll save the biggest one for last. Then I have this one, which is just a unicorn. Every one I'm going to do a close-up review, so with this one, I'm going to show you the close-up. Alright, next one is this cake. Those details, it's squishy. Close up. This one's very fast. Next one. Is this one. I have one giant one, which fits in here. It's a tiny backpack, but it's bigger than my face, so it's big. It's very squishy. Oh, it's like a cake strawberry thing. I don't know, but this is it squishy. I'm gonna show you now. So this is it. And the very last one. Let's show you right now. Alright, I got it out. Let's do this one over here. This one is my favorite. It's a taco. It has the meat, the cheese, I think that's the cheese, the lettuce, and some tomato, and then the banana. I got all these squishies. This one was ordered online. This one I got at the store. So I got all these ones. This one, this one, this one, and this one are from Justice, and also this backpack. I love it. Let's see. I'm gonna squeeze this one. This one's kind of fast rising, but I'll show you real quick. So this is it. They have a lot of details. So let's squish it. Alright, here we go. It's kind of big to squish. But this is it. So, yeah. I'm going to bring out all my squishies and throw them in here. Which they're just all surrounding me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So I'm just gonna put these all around me. So first, just gonna go over them. This one, the cake one, squeeze it. Next, unicorn. squeeze it. Next, the cake. Squeeze it. And I'll show you. And then I'll squeeze it. And then, oh, I have 2 more. Then you have this one. The cupcake one, kind of pie, maybe. I don't know. And squished it. And here it comes back to the dead. Next is the last but not least is the taco. Fully detailed. Squish it. Perfect. Thank you for coming. If you did, make sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Peace out.